Okay, so here we've got a typical Georgian long case clock that's came in for restoration. It's probably not been cleaned for 50 years or more. So what we've got to do with this is take it all apart, which we'll show you later, strip it all down, polish and clean it, re-oil it, and then she should be ready to go again. Unless of course there's some worn parts on it which we've got to either rebush or repivot. So here we've got the movement that we've taken down from the stand, and we've taken some of the parts off already, which is the hands off the front, the bell and the striking mechanism. And now what we've got to do is take the front off and take the whole thing apart, and then it's ready for cleaning. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take the front off, which is like this, all these parts here, before I can actually get at the inside. So all those come off like that. Then what I do is I remove the holding pins. I've taken a couple out already. So we just pull these pins out, which holds the plates together, and there we go. Now what we do now, which is we be a little bit careful here, before we take it apart, we must take the pendulum section from the back. So we unscrew those pieces there, and we remove that part. This piece then comes off, that part comes off of there like so, that one comes off there, unscrew this one. It's all in sequence, you know, it's not really complicated once you get to know how to do it. Then the next position is to have it over like this, and then we lift this plate off here like so. Carefully, it does stick a bit when it's not been cleaned for years. Just might need a little bit of prising there, or just a little tap. Just hold on a minute while we... That's that, 1, 3, then that plate lifts off like that, and now you can see all the mechanism exposed, and we just carefully take it all apart like this. There you go. And then it's ready for polishing. So we clean all the holes out like this with a stick all the way through there, and then all these cogs and wheels gets polished, cleaned, then the whole thing gets put back together again, and then hopefully it's going. Okay, so here's the clock all back together again, a bit like how we first started, and I'm just going to set the pendulum in motion to get it going. There she is, ticking away nicely, and we just check that she strikes, and that's it, done.